Hey there, I just wanted to give a quick introduction to this playlist which we've just published on YouTube. This is the first version of our course, How to Build a Backend REST API with Python and Django Beginner. We created this course over 2 years ago when Django 1.11 was the latest version available. We've since updated the course completely on Udemy using Django 2.2. So we wanted to publish the old version here on YouTube for the existing students and also in case you wanted to take the old version for free. If you wish to take the updated version, then we've added links in the description of this video for our updated version on how to build a backend REST API with Python and Django beginner course using Django 2.2. We also have an advanced version of the course. If you want to take a more advanced version, we'll also put that in the description of the video. So enjoy the course.